It's me, Bree. Welcome back to my channel. You've seen it all over your social media. You've seen the queen, Jennifer Coolidge, speaking about it. But is it actually good? That is the question we are here to answer today. We are talking about the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is mine. Obviously, you can tell she has been used, abused. Let's dive a little deeper. So, what the heck is in here? I gotta know. So, I was forced to be here, and I don't really know why, but we're gonna talk about the Power Grip Primer. This is $10. It says it's a gel face primer for long-lasting makeup. You get like 8.811 fluid ounces. It's water-based. It's got niacinamides. Those are like so good for you. This should be applied evenly to a face before makeup using your fingertips to pat into the skin. The warmth of your fingers will help the product melt into the skin for easy application and allow it to dry for 30 seconds before applying makeup. That is directly from the e.l.f. website. This claims that this primer is the #1 primer in America. You're gonna love it because it's a gel primer. It gives skin a long-lasting, naturally dewy finish. It works on all skin tones. Non-comedogenic with hyaluronic acid. Now, are we done here? Oh my god, that was so interesting. Thank you so much for that breakdown. It definitely grips onto the primer. Now, however, I have used it with the new e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter as well, and the combination of these two is a no from me. It is texture city. When you're using like a sheer kind of moment, like maybe a tint, I just don't think that they're not friends, they're not compatible, they're not like, they're not having a play date. They're not together in this. We are not together. Medium coverage, maybe. It's like all or nothing for me with coverage. I'm just saying. I love a sticky primer. I feel like it's just gonna hold on to all the crap that you're about to slather onto your face all day long. This product is gonna get the basic seal of approval from Bree. That's me. I have a mission. I have a mission. It is to review every single makeup product that ever existed in the entire world. Do you think I can do it? That's like a big mission. There are hundreds. Be back here tomorrow and we're gonna freaking dive into another product. I will see you then, so you better subscribe, turn on that bell, leave a comment so that I can tell you how much I love you and how cute you are and how much I think we should be best friends in the entire world. Besties for the resties. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. What? You're ruining my filming.
Well, apologies.
Thank you so much for leaving. Do I hate everything that just happened? Potentially.